Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share our experience about Tokyo Disneyland, which is in Japan. We visited Japan around November 2022. Actually, this is the second time we visited Tokyo Disneyland, and when we visited Disneyland for the first time, then Jatil is just 1.5-year-old and he was not able to enjoy this place much at that time. So we planned one more visit this time. Disneyland is a magical place with its exciting attractions, live entertainment show and vibrant atmosphere. Actually, this place will exceed your expectations and is literally the happiest place on earth. Coming to the transportation, this place is well connected via public transportation both by bus and the subway, which is easily accessible. And this is a must visit if you are visiting or staying in Tokyo with family or friends, and most importantly for the Disney fans of all ages. And there is something for everyone to enjoy here. Remember, there are no physical ticket booths here, so make sure to book tickets online in advance before visiting this place. Tickets can be purchased in their website or in their Disney stores, which are located in the Tokyo, or we can purchase them at the Disney Resort if you opt to stay there. Entrance ticket for the Disneyland is around 5,000 rupees for adult and 3,000 rupees for child. We booked Disney stay when we visited Disney for the first time in the year 2017, and that time we visited both Disneyland and Disney Sea. It costed around 50,000 to 60,000, which includes both the stay and the entry tickets for both Disneyland and Disney Sea for 3 of us. Coming to the food options, the food was expensive and there will be long queues during regular meal times. Just make sure to go before meal hours or choose to wait in the queue. If you are short of time, then fast food options will be the way to go, as the waiting time at the restaurants can easily exceed an hour. You can find popcorn shops at entrance or exit of multiple rides. Here you can find lot of popcorn flavors and different cute popcorn buckets, and that you can't find them anywhere else. So choose wisely. I bought one satellite popcorn bucket, which is still my favorite. Next, coming to the rides, you just need to plan where you want to go first. They don't have physical maps for some reason, but you can find the maps in the Disney Resort app. If you are trying to find something promptly and don't have time to wander the park aimlessly, then just install that app and use it. This app is really helpful. There's a lot of information like waiting time for the rides and the restaurants, and also the parade times. Keep in mind, most of the rides are in Japanese, so you might have trouble understanding some of the talking rides, but they are still enjoyable and very cool. Every ride is unique and will take you to the different world. At the entrance of every ride, there will be queue and they will display the approximate wait time. Most of the rides are kids friendly, maybe roughly 80 to 90% of them can be joined by 5+ years age kids. In this video, I mostly shared the clips of outdoor ride experiences which are not much adventurous. I was not able to capture all the rides that we tried. Me and my kid actually tried 20 rides, and some we tried multiple times, like 2 to 3 times if it is too interesting for us, and the wait time is just 10 to 15 minutes. Rides in the Tomorrowland are next level, super adventurous and designed so well. Some of our favorite rides in Disney are Star Tours, where we will be transported to the aliens planet in the spaceship. The ride will be thrilling and adventurous. The next one in the list is like Peter Pan ride, where we will fly on pirate ship to the Neverland. One more is like Pooh's Honey Hunt ride, where we board a honey pot and join Pooh as he searches for honey. And one more in the list is 3D show. This show is so good. I went to a lot of 4D, 5D and even 7D shows in India, but they were nowhere near to this 3D show. I want to discuss about parade next. There will be usually 1 to 2 parades that happens, one during daytime and one during nighttime. Make sure to hang around for the electrical parade in the evening. The parades are also worth, and it will be so colorful and magical. overall, Tokyo Disneyland is a fantastic theme park that should definitely be on your bucket list. Whether you are a fan of Disney or not, the park's unique blend of Japanese culture and Disney magic is sure to impress and delight you. Coming to the pro tips, few adventurous rides will have long wait time like 90 minutes. It's better to check estimated wait time before going into any queue. You can spend some extra bucks to buy express or priority pass which can bypass queues. And also try to visit this place only on working days to avoid some crowd. That's all about Disneyland. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you later. Bye bye.